On to more breaking news coming in, where Shashi Tharoor has rubbished the economy dead raga. Shashi Tharoor has refused to toe the Congress line yet again. Tharoor has put India first and he said that the economy of the country is not dead. Rahul Gandhi, who reiterated the Trump rant on the Indian economy. Rahul Gandhi, who once again blatantly backed Donald Trump, believing his version, saying that the Indian economy is dead. When Shashi Tharoor was asked on the same, he has refused to toe the same line as the Congress party. He has said that the Indian economy is not dead. Listen up.
थरूर साहब, आप यूएस डेलीगेशन लेके गए थे, अब ट्रम्प साहब पाकिस्तान को ऑयल डील कर रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं
उस विषय के बारे में मैं जो कुछ कहना था कल
सर, क्या भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड हो चुकी है सर?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं यार, आपको पता है।
राहुल गांधी
बात थैंक यू।
Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है? पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज अ डेड इकोनॉमी और बीजेपी ने इकोनॉमी को खत्म कर दिया है। क्यों खत्म किया है? अदानी जी की मदद करने के लिए खत्म किया है।
Cutting across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live. Aishwarya, once again a face-off when it comes to Rahul Gandhi and Shashi Tharoor, as Tharoor has not toed the party line yet again. Alright, not too sure if Aishwarya is able to hear me at this point. We'll try and reconnect that line. But you heard how this could be a point of rift once again between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi backing Trump, making that statement on the Indian economy, saying it's dead. But when Shashi Tharoor was asked the same to comment as an opposition leader, he did not toe the same line as the Congress. He rather showed faith in the Indian economy. This has been a pattern in recent days where we've seen Shashi Tharoor not toeing the party line. In fact, the Kerala Congress that has openly expressed dissent to the very same, of course leaving the larger decision to the top leadership, and where there has been speculation of whether Shashi Tharoor could jump ship, that not happening. We also saw what happened during the Operation Sindoor debate, where Shashi Tharoor claimed to have taken Maun Vrat, as he was the one who led the delegation, putting out the message of why India conducted Operation Sindoor and taking that message across the globe. Shashi Tharoor once again speaking on the pertinent issue of the Indian economy, where Rahul Gandhi has been backing Trump, saying that the Indian economy is dead. Shashi Tharoor says it is India first and the economy is not dead. Let's listen into both those reactions again.
थरूर साहब, आप यूएस डेलीगेशन लेके गए थे, अब ट्रम्प साहब पाकिस्तान को ऑयल डील कर रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं
उस विषय के बारे में मैं जो कुछ कहना था कल
सर, क्या भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड हो चुकी है सर?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं यार, आपको पता है।
राहुल गांधी
बात थैंक यू।
Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है? पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज अ डेड इकोनॉमी और बीजेपी ने इकोनॉमी को खत्म कर दिया है। क्यों खत्म किया है? अदानी जी की मदद करने के लिए खत्म किया है।
Going back to Aishwarya Paliwal, who's with us on the broadcast. Aishwarya, if you're able to hear me this time, once again, Shashi Tharoor may have miffed the Congress party, not toeing the same line as Rahul Gandhi, where he's shown faith in the Indian economy, saying it is nation first and the Indian economy is not dead.
Well, Surisha, let me tell you from what we are understanding at the moment in the Congress brass, the big question is what will he say next? What will be his reaction be like? But we did see the first 3 days of the parliament. I am on a Maun Vrat. That was the time when discussion on Operation Sindoor was going on. Shashi Tharoor was part of, he in fact was leading delegation that went to the United States of America, and he did not speak in the parliament. So with regards to that, there were 3 days of Maun Vrat where he literally did not utter a single word in front of the media. But now he's spoken and how? He's saying that it is not true that the Indian economy is dead, but this is something that Rahul Gandhi over the past 48 hours has been making sure that he speaks out. He has been maintaining that the Indian economy is dead. In fact, if you remember that very famous viral video of Rahul Gandhi in which he said that you wait and watch for the kind of trade deal that India will do with the United States of America. So that's also something that the Congress party very keenly is now looking at. But yes, definitely Shashi Tharoor not towing the Congress line and saying that it is not true. He does not believe that the Indian economy is dead.